Welcome, students. This is a quick review of zero exponent property. Example 1, 2 to the 5th over 2 to the 5th. Remember from our division notes that we figured out we could take the same base when dividing and determine that the power would be the top power minus the bottom power. In this case, 2 raised to the 5 minus 5, or 2 raised to the power of 0. Now, we also knew for division that we could expand it out. So 2 to the 5th was 2 times itself 5 times over 2 times itself 5 times. Then we would cross out anything that matched up. And when whole rows were eliminated, we just replaced them with a 1. Notice I get 1 over 1, so all in all, my answer is just 1. Remember that anything raised to the power of 0 will give me 1. So example B, 3xy to the power of 0, my final answer for this would just simplify down to 1. Let's make it a little harder. 3x times x squared times 4xyz raised to the power of 0. The 0 property tells me that anything raised to the power of 0 becomes 1. So this term right here will simplify to be just 1. Then, as I'm simplifying this, I still have 3x times x squared. These did not go away. I know from multiplying that I can expand it out, so x squared can become x times x. Then I just simplify, so my coefficient is 3. X times x is just x raised to the 3rd power, and this would be my final answer. Example B looks pretty confusing, but notice 4xyz divided by 8xy is raised to the power of 0. That means this whole term will go away. It's just a 1. So really, I'm just simplifying 8xy over 4x squared. Again, I can expand it out. 8xy over 4x squared, which is x times x. I can cancel out any terms I see in common, and then I can simplify my coefficient. 8 over 4, I could cut both in half, or I could realize that 4 comes out of both. If I take 4 out of 8, I'll get 2. If I take 4 out of 4, I get 1. I'm left with a y on top and an x on the bottom. And this would be my final simplified answer. The biggest mistake students will make is when they see an exponent to a 0, they will just automatically assume the entire answer is just 1. Pay close attention and make sure that you're watching for the powers of the other terms as well. Thanks for watching.